In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently clear out your Shein shopping cart. Let's dive in together and make your cart management a hassle-free experience. To start, you'll first need to open your Shein shopping cart. You can easily do this by logging into your Shein account through their website or mobile app. Once you're logged in, you should see an icon or button that resembles a shopping bag or cart. Click on that to view the items you've added. This is your hub for managing what you plan to purchase, and it's essential to keep it organized for a smoother shopping experience. Now, as we venture into clearing out your cart, you'll want to focus on each item, one at a time. Unfortunately, there's no delete all button available on Shein, which means we'll need to tackle this one step at a time. Don't worry though, I'll guide you through this process to make it as quick and seamless as possible. As you look at your cart, for each item listed, you'll find a remove option often represented by a trash can icon. This icon is usually located right next to the product details or close by, depending on whether you're using the app or the website. Clicking this icon is your first step toward decluttering. It's a straightforward process, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Once you click the remove or trash can icon for an item, a confirmation message will typically pop up. This message is just Shein's way of ensuring you truly wish to remove the item, thereby preventing any accidental deletions. Go ahead and confirm this action. The item will then disappear from your cart, and you can move on to the next one. Continue this process, addressing each item you wish to remove and confirm deletion where necessary. While it might seem tedious at first, it's an excellent opportunity to reassess your shopping choices. Sometimes, clearing out your cart can help you avoid impulsive purchases, keeping your shopping more intentional and your budget in check. Once you have removed each item individually, your cart will be empty and ready for your next shopping spree. Though this method requires a bit of patience, it ultimately gives you control over your virtual shopping experience. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated the ins and outs of emptying your Shein shopping cart. Hopefully, these steps have empowered you to manage your purchases more effectively. Please feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy shopping and happy organizing.